In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the volume of a shape where the cross-section is the same throughout it. With the cuboid on the left-hand side, you can see that the cross-section is a 6x4 rectangle. The same rectangle will appear on the other side. The dimensions of the rectangle at the other end will be 6x4. To calculate the volume of a shape like this, we find the area of the cross-section and multiply it by the depth. The area of the cross-section, since it's a rectangle, will be base times by height, so 4 times by 6, and times it by 7 since it was the depth. 4 times 6 is 24, and times that by 7 is 168. Since each of the dimensions is centimetres, the volume will be measured in centimetre cubed. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. With the question on the right hand side, the cross section is that of a circle. The area of the circle can be found by pi times the radius squared, and if I times it by the depth, this will then give me the volume. Substituting in the values pi times 3 squared times by 11, evaluating what I can, pi times 3 squared is 9, and times that by 11, and 9 times 11 is 99, and multiplying by pi is 99 pi. The units in this case would be centimetre cubed, and this would be the answer that I would write down if it wanted my answer in terms of pi. But grabbing a calculator and typing in 99 times pi would give me 311.0 centimetre cubed.